Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google Business Profile account that owns the listing. This is essential because only owners can change primary contact data. Once signed in, open the specific business entry and confirm you have managerial access. If not, request access now and approve it. Make sure verification is available, phone, postcard, or email, because Google may require re-verification when certain contact details change. Now navigate to the Info section to prepare the phone number update. You're in the Info tab. Click the pencil icon next to phone to start editing. Type the new primary number using local formatting and include a country code if customers call from abroad, because accuracy affects search display. If you have multiple lines, add them under More Phone Numbers and label them appropriately: Support, Reservations, or Main. Once entered, double-check digits and spacing. Incorrect formatting can block verification or lead to wrong clicks. Save changes and watch for the confirmation prompt. After saving, you must confirm the update. Google may request re-verification, so follow any prompts immediately. Once complete, monitor search and maps for 24 to 72 hours. Make sure the new number shows correctly and test calling it. If you don't see the update, clear cache or check from an incognito window, because propagation can be local. If changes fail, make sure the account is verified, the number is owned by your business, and there are no policy flags. Contact Google support only after these checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.